slimes that we have to fix. Ooh. But Maddie, you're not getting the slime. We have to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick their slime. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! I'm gonna pick this orange one because it's easier. But you said that you wanted the black one. I tricked you. I knew I was gonna win rock, paper, scissors. Yahoo! Okay, so here's the orange slime I got because I won rock, paper, scissors. And Priscilla's right now so mad she's walking away and telling her mom. But anyways, here's some ASMR. The green stuff, I think I can take it out. So I think I have a good idea on how to make the slime pretty. So that slime is easy to change the colors, so I'm not gonna have a hard time. So I'm gonna make it a rainbow slime. So we need some red, orange, I don't want neon yellow. Some yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. And then I need some glitter. Okay, now it's time to get the glitter. We need some pink, purple, blue, green, some... Where's the red? I need some red. Ooh! I need so much glitter, like... We need some red, orange, and yellow. And I think I'm good. Guys, I'm so mad because Maddie, she acted like she wanted the slime and she knew I wanted the orange slime when she won rock, paper, scissors. I'm so mad. Like, look at this. There's so much black glitter. It doesn't even go well with this green. Those are nice ASMR, but what the heck? Like, I'm really mad at Maddie. So I have an idea. We're gonna sabotage her. Okay, so Maddie left the room and she went upstairs and she left her ingredients here. So I thought, why not mess with them? I was thinking, the paint that's not a lot, her red, doesn't have a lot of paint left in there because I don't want to waste paint. I'm gonna put black in here and she does not know. So I'm gonna pour this in. I think that should be good. That's a lot. Okay, so now let's mix this and wipe off the evidence at the top so she does not notice. Okay guys, let's see what this is gonna turn out to be. And this is actually kind of a nice slime. She's gonna regret not picking this slime. It's actually pretty glossy. Just the black glitter kind of ruins it. Okay guys, I think I might turn this into an outer space slime. Did I say space? Space slime! Because there are black glitter and there's little foam balls and the foam balls can be the planets and I think it looks really cute. So let's get some. Okay, I was thinking about getting some purple paint because to make it like a galaxy. And I might get some more foam balls, so it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so now it's time to start making our slimes pretty. Maddie, how is your slime feeling right now? Good, why? Oh, okay. But, okay, also, doesn't mine look like Squidward, but like a happier version? Look at the color, but the foam balls make it look like a happier version. Okay, let's just do our slime now. I'm Slammer. Okay, so I'm gonna put my slime back into the container because I'm making a rainbow slime. If you didn't tell about all the paints. So I'm going to grab a piece. Okay, so I don't need to do too much. All I need to do is add purple to this giant slime. So, here we go. Purple, purple, purple. Okay, so I'm gonna leave in the green things because I'm going to first add my green paint and it's green and green. So yeah, and then for the planetary slime, yeah, that's a problem. But I'm just gonna add some green paint to this. Oh, mine's kind of turning purple. And that's good. Now let's mix. Maybe I should start by doing it with little pieces of my slime because this is really big. This is so big. I I kind of feel like I'm destroying Scribble right now. Okay. I don't have a lot of purple. Oh my gosh. Mix, mix, mix. Mix.
Guys, look, it's so close to turning green. I told you this was an easy color to turn into, like, I think my slime's gonna be pretty nice. Oh. Now let's add some silver. Now let's mix. Perfect green for a rainbow. So let's move on to the next color.
Still working on my purple. Might take me a couple years.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do some blue, and I'm gonna keep the green stuff in because it's gonna be impossible to take out. Blue plant paint, and then also put the glitter with that. We need a lot of glitter. And then some. The blue paint just disappeared.
Okay guys, so here is how the purple turned out for this part of the slime. I wish it was darker, but it's not. So let's move on to the next one. And this color it's okay. I mean, it's pretty galaxy, right? Yeah. The next one. And you're wondering, why are the two different shades of purple? Well, because I had one in my pocket. Or I just took it from the drawer. Okay, I got this. I'm just kneading it like this, stretch, and putting it there. Whoa, that's just purple. But remember, we need them the same color because I split them in half.
Why don't you just put them together?
Because I don't have time for that. I purple, you guys.
Okay, so my blue's done. Really nice, right? Okay, moving on to my yellow.
Time to mix these purples together. Woo! Okay. It's so heavy.
Is that your baby?
I know it feels so heavy.
Okay, now it's on to pink, my favorite color. And then we need my pink. You stole my glitter!
I need it too.
Well, we could share then.
Okay, you know I'm gonna add my glitter in now too.
No, I need it. You can add it in your purple!
Sisterly love.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's so
beautiful.
Cilla.
I haven't tried slime. What do you expect? I'm gonna rip this open and jackpot.
Okay, let's add the pink. Stop!
I need the pink.
Oh, sorry.
God.
I thought it was mine.
Okay.
That's an iridescent. Look at me, not her. Lots of iridescent. That's such a pretty iridescent, right? That's such a mix!
Oh gosh. I made it a little cave. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy I got this slime because look how easy it is to mix the colors. I love it.
I wish I had that slime. But you stole it from me!
Well, I won rock, paper, scissors, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with my pink slime. Now it's moving on to my purple. I'm sorry, guys, but this is taking forever. Okay, let's do this fast. Some purple paint, purple glitter, yes. Some iridescent glitter. Yes, girl, yes. Some silver glitter. Yes. Yes. Okay, now let's mix.
Okay guys, I'm officially done with my slime. Actually, almost, because I need to add in these foam balls. I want a little bit more foam balls, so I'm adding these. They're going to make a humongous swirl.
How are you gonna make a swirl with that big thing?
Whoa.
That is horrible ASMR. I'm better than you.
Oh, the spotlight was on Maddy with her glitter, and now look at me. Whoa, oh, wow. Oh, that's a nice crunch. I think my slime's totally gonna win because look how pretty it is. It's gorgeous. Just like BTS. Guys, if you're ever mad and you just have like the anger in you and you don't want to beat up your sibling, just beat up slime like this. BTS like huh? Or you can do this. Kick it too. Swirl, 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 swirl. It's the edge of the table.
I dropped all my glitter. I dropped it. It fell.
I just vacuumed. Okay, so here is my swirl, and it was really hard to do. But Maddy, I think I have the perfect solution to pick up that glitter.
Ow.
I got this. You want to
It's gonna stick. Oh, this is actually.
Oh, this one too. This one here. This right here.
It's like a vacuum. Mommy, we made you a vacuum if you're watching
For your birthday.
My phone! Don't suck on my phone!
I purple you. Okay, but this is actually like a perfect tart. Hold on.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do my red, and it's a glittery red, so yeah. You have phone beef. Oh my! That is black in it.
What the heck? Why did I black it?
Stop, Priscilla! The black one! Priscilla, that's the new this! This! The new paint! No, it isn't! Yes, it is! No, it isn't! Stop!
Sabotage! We're sabotaging!
Stop!
You know why it's black? Wanna know why? Wanna know why? Do you wanna know why?
Why?
Because you told me to pick scissors so I could win and get that.
Oh, so you did that!
Yes, I did this. I made it black because of you. Because of you.
Guys, Priscilla tricked me by putting black in my paint, and look at it now. It's so nasty. It's not even red. It's like a purple kind of. Okay, so I finished mixing it in, and it's really nice, but it looks like a tongue. It's not even red. Just look at this. It doesn't even match the glitter. Okay, let's add in the glitter. I'm just gonna add a little bit because it doesn't match. And of course some. Okay, so I have two colors left, yellow and orange. So I'm just gonna separate them and add the paint at the same time. And let's mix the yellow. Why is it not turning yellow?
Because it's already yellow.
Move on. Let's move on to the orange. It's like metallic. Whoa. And I'm done with my orange slime. Whoa. I wanted my yellow to be a neon. Okay, now let's mix. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Okay, so now it's the time that we've all been waiting for. This rainbow swirl. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna roll it up because, yeah. Whoa. Hopefully I can pick this one. Okay, I can't do it. Woo! That's so cute. It's so big. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do a swirl with this little piece.
to watching. Leave your share, let me do that bubbles in a comment down below.